Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best PS4 accessories that you can buy right now. Whether you're looking to enhance your gaming experience or just make things more convenient, we've got you covered. As always, you'll find the product links in the description below. So stick around and let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the Ivo PS4 controller charger dock station. This budget-friendly accessory is perfect for keeping your controllers charged and ready for action. One of its standout features is its updated copper contactor, which allows for fast charging in just 1.8 hours, a significant improvement over traditional USB dongles. The built-in LED indicators make it easy to tell when your controller is done charging, with a blue light signaling completion and a red light indicating active charging. The design is compact and lightweight, making it an excellent addition to your gaming setup without taking up too much space. While it doesn't come with a wall adapter, it is versatile in terms of power sources. You can plug it into your PS4 console, PC, or any USB-compatible wall adapter. The built-in protection chip ensures safe charging, offering features like overcharge and over-temperature protection, which is a thoughtful touch for long-term reliability. The Ivo Charger dock station is ideal for casual gamers who need a simple and effective solution for charging their controllers. However, it's important to note that this station is designed specifically for original PS4 controllers and may not support renewed versions. At only $14.99, it's hard to beat the value here, but the lack of included wall adapter might be a downside for some. Overall, it's a fantastic budget pick for anyone looking to keep their gaming gear in tip-top shape. At number 4, we have the Ninja Go PS4 controller charger dock station. This accessory is a solid mid-tier option for charging and storing your PS4 controllers. It comes equipped with an upgraded copper contactor that promises to charge 2 controllers simultaneously in just 1.8 hours, making it perfect for gamers who don't want to waste time waiting for their controllers to charge. The LED indicators are clear and intuitive. Red light for charging and green light for fully charged or standby mode. The design emphasizes functionality and reliability. With built-in intelligent chip technology, the dock offers overvoltage, overcharging, and short-circuit protection, ensuring safe and efficient charging every time. Its compact build makes it easy to store your controllers when not in use, and the USB power compatibility allows you to charge via your PS4 console, PC, or a wall adapter. Unfortunately, the wall adapter isn't included, which might be inconvenient for some users. The Ninja Go charging dock station is perfect for gamers who play frequently and need a reliable charging solution. While the exact price isn't available, its features and build quality make it a competitive choice in its category. The lack of pricing transparency is a slight drawback, but if you can find it at a reasonable price, it's absolutely worth considering for your gaming setup. Sliding into the number 3 spot is the Ivo PS4 stand for PlayStation 4 accessory kits. This multifunctional stand is a powerhouse for gamers looking to optimize their setup. It features a cooling fan to keep your PS4 console operating efficiently, dual controller charging docks, and even 12 game slots to keep your library organized. The EXT port charging system is a standout, offering fast charging in just 2 hours compared to standard USB charging, which can take up to 4 hours. The build quality is impressive, with a sturdy design that accommodates PS4, PS4 Slim, and PS4 Pro consoles. The metal base helps with heat dissipation, while the fan operates quietly at just 50 dB, ensuring minimal noise disruption during intense gaming sessions. The LED indicators for charging are clear and easy to use, and the stand can be powered through various devices like USB hubs or wall adapters. For gamers who want an all-in-one solution, this is an excellent choice. At $26.89, it offers fantastic value for its versatility and functionality. However, it's worth noting that a fit for PS4 Slim consoles requires an additional holder, which is included in the package. If you're looking for a way to organize your setup while keeping your console cool and your controllers charged, the Oevo PS4 stand is a smart investment. At number 2, we have the Bengo G9000 stereo gaming headset. This affordable yet feature-packed headset is perfect for gamers who want immersive audio without breaking the bank. It's compatible with multiple platforms, including PS4, PS5, Xbox Series XS, and PC, making it a versatile choice for multi-platform gamers. The 7.1 surround sound delivers an impressive audio experience, with strong bass and precise acoustic positioning for games like Call of Duty and Overwatch. The design is both stylish and functional. The soft memory earmuffs and adjustable headband provide long-lasting comfort, while the LED lights on the ear cups add a touch of flair to your gaming setup. The noise-canceling microphone ensures crystal clear communication, making it a great option for online multiplayer games. The durable braided cable is anti-tangle and features an effortless volume control wheel and one-touch mic mute button. Priced at just $18.99, the Bengo G9000 offers incredible value for its features. However, it's worth noting that you'll need an additional Microsoft adapter to use it with older Xbox One controllers, which is not included. For gamers on a budget who want great sound quality and comfort, this headset is hard to beat. At the top of our list, taking the number 1 spot, is the DualShock 4 wireless controller for PlayStation 4 in jet black. This premium accessory is a must-have for PS4 owners looking for the ultimate gaming experience. With improved analog sticks and trigger buttons, it offers unparalleled precision and control. The built-in motion sensors, including a gyroscope and accelerometer, add an extra layer of immersion, enhancing gameplay across a variety of genres. The controller's design is sleek and ergonomic, with a multi-touch, clickable touchpad that opens up new possibilities for gameplay. It also features a built-in speaker and stereo headset jack for versatile audio options. Charging is simple and convenient, as you can plug it directly into your PS4 system or use any standard USB charger. While it is PS5 compatible, it only works with PS4 games on that platform. At $59.99, the DualShock 4 is the most expensive accessory on our list, but it's worth every penny for gamers who demand top-tier performance and build quality. The only downside is that the USB cable required for charging is sold separately, which might be a minor inconvenience. If you're looking for the best all-around controller for your PS4, this is undoubtedly the one to choose. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this countdown of the top 5 PS4 accessories. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Have questions about any of these products? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.